What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a full review of Senpex, the on demand courier service. This isn't based on my personal experience, but on the flood of user reviews and feedback from the first half of 2025. We're going to answer the big questions. Is the pay as good as they say? Is the app as buggy as people claim? And most importantly, is it actually worth your time? Let's get into it. Right off the bat, let's talk about the money. Sandpex advertises a competitive payment model, and according to many drivers, the per mile pay can be quite good, even better than some competitors like DoorDash. They state that couriers receive an 85% to 90% fee commission, plus 100% of the client's tips paid weekly. This sounds great on paper, and for some drivers, it is a solid way to supplement their income. But here's the catch. User reviews consistently mention that jobs are inconsistent and infrequent. It is not a steady stream of work. You might get a good paying order that's worth it, but it might be the only one you see for hours or even days. This makes it challenging to use as a primary source of income. The app is a major sticking point for many couriers. While Senpex's website claims a user-friendly interface, a lot of reviews tell a different story. Drivers report frequent technical glitches, including the app force closing or sending the wrong verification codes during sign-up. One of the biggest complaints is the order notification system. Some drivers say orders pop up and disappear in seconds, giving you no time to read the details before another driver snags it. This forces you to accept orders blindly and hope they are worth the time and distance. This is a huge concern for efficiency and safety. The lack of responsive support is another common theme. When a driver has an issue, like a payment problem or a canceled order, reaching a live person or getting a timely response seems to be a major struggle. Many drivers report that their emails and in-app chat messages go unanswered for weeks. This is particularly frustrating when a high-paying gig goes wrong and you're left on your own to figure it out. Some users even claim their accounts were blocked after inquiring about missing payer tips. So, what's the final verdict? Based on the feedback, Sandpec seems to be a mixed bag. If you're looking for a primary, full-time gig, the general consensus from other drivers is that Sandpex might not be for you due to the inconsistent work and significant app issues. However, if you are a courier who is already multi-apping with services like DoorDash or ubereats, Senpex could be a great app to keep running in the background. The potential for high-paying, high-mileage gigs makes it a solid option for subsidizing your other earnings. The bottom line is to be prepared to fend for yourself, because if an issue arises, the support may not be there to help you out.